Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring every inch of Elk Falls Park in British Columbia. And I'll share all the hidden gems that I find along the way. Something I discovered is Elk Falls is used to generate electricity for Vancouver Island. In this video, you'll explore the breathtaking Elk Falls Park, where adventure meets natural beauty. Many visitors overlook this hidden gem, missing out on its stunning trails and spectacular views. Elk Falls Park has a lot to offer, from its lush forests to its winding rivers, and I'm excited to share it all with you. One of the main reasons people don't visit Elk Falls Park is because it's a bit off the beaten path. But trust me, it's definitely worth the trek. Not only will you get to experience the serene beauty of nature, but you'll also get to challenge yourself on its many trails. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, Elk Falls Park has something for everyone. And the best part? You won't have to fight the crowds like you would at most popular national parks. Take a journey through Elk Falls Park, showcasing its scenic trails, diverse wildlife, and the majestic Elk Falls itself. The trails at Elk Falls Park are truly something special, with towering trees that block out most of the sunlight and moss-covered rocks that make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the park's diverse wildlife, like bear, deer, or even cougar. But the real pièce de résistance is Elk Falls itself, a breathtaking display of natural power that will leave you awestruck. As you make your way to the falls, the roar of the water gets louder and louder until you finally come face to face with the majestic sight. As you hike through the park, you'll notice that the trails are really well marked, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. And if you need a break, there are plenty of picnic areas and rest stops where you can refuel and take in the views. One thing I like about Elk Falls Park is how accessible it is, even for those who aren't super outdoorsy. You'll notice the trails are well maintained, and there's always a park ranger around to lend a helping hand. And of course, the scenery is just incredible, with stunning vistas around every bend. Whether you're looking for a fun day trip or a longer camping excursion, Elk Falls Park has got you covered. As you hike closer to the falls, you can feel the energy building up inside you, and the anticipation is palpable. You know you're getting closer, and suddenly, there it is, the majestic Elk Falls, cascading down the rock face in a breathtaking display of power and beauty. It's truly a sight to behold, and one that will stay with you long after you leave the park. Experience the moment you reach the viewpoint of Elk Falls, where the water cascades down in a breathtaking display. The first time I saw Elk Falls, I was just blown away. The sheer force of the water is just incredible. And the sound? Oh, the sound is nothing like you've ever heard before. It's like thunder, but constant, and it's just mesmerizing. As you stand there, taking it all in, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and appreciation for the natural beauty of this park. As you take in the views, you can't help but think how lucky we are to have a place like Elk Falls Park in our lives. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural wonders and of taking the time to appreciate them. And as you make your way back down the trail, you can't help but feel rejuvenated, refreshed. I think what really sets Elk Falls Park apart is the sense of adventure it offers. You never know what's around the next bend or what hidden gem you might stumble upon. And that's what makes it so exciting. It's true wilderness experience, full of surprises and discoveries, and yet it's still accessible that anyone can do it, regardless of your level of outdoor experience. In summary, Elk Falls Park offers an unforgettable experience for those seeking adventure and natural beauty in British Columbia. If you enjoyed this exploration of Elk Falls Park, don't forget to like, comment, and check out my other videos for more outdoor adventures.